Hello friends, my name is Anamika Walia. I am the student of MX International School. In today's video, we are going to discuss the chapter 8 of math, that is comparing quantities. First one is ratio. Comparing by division is called ratio. Quantities written in ratio have the same unit, ratio has no unit. Equality of two ratios is called proportions. It means if we compare by division, that is known as ratio, and if the equality of two ratios are there, then that is known as proportion. Next point is product of extremes equals to product of means. Percentage. Percentage means for every 100. The result of any division in which the divisor is 100 is a percentage. The divisor is denoted by a special symbol, that is percent. Read as percent. As you can see here, it is a sign of percent. Profit and loss. First is cost price, that we will usually use as CP, means cost price. The amount for which an article is bought, means if we bought anything of amount of anything that we bought, that is known as CP. And the selling price means the amount for which an article is sold, that is known as selling price. Additional expenses made after buying an article are included in the cost price, and that are also known as overhead expenses. These may include expenses like amount spent on repairs, labor charges, transportation, etc. Discount is a reduction gives on marked price. Discount equals to marked price minus sale price. Next point is discount can be calculated when discount percentage is given. Discount equals to discount percent of marked price. Next is additional expenses made after buying an article are included in the cost price, that are known as overhead expenses. CP means cost price equals to buying price plus overhead expenses. It is a formula for finding the cost price. Sales tax is charged on the sale of an item by the government and is added to the bill amount. Sales tax equals to tax percent of bill amount. Next is simple interest. If the principal remains the same for the entire loan period, then the interest paid is called simple interest. Here SI means simple interest, that is equals to P multiply R multiply T. P for principal, R for rate, and T for time upon 100. This is a formula to find the simple interest. Next is compound interest, is the interest calculated on the previous year's amount. Equals in bracket A equals to P plus I. Amount equals to principal plus interest. First one is amount when interest is compounded annually equals to principal in bracket 1 plus R means rate, and 100 means 100 is used for percent and bracket close, and N is used for the time period. Second point is amount when interest is compounded half yearly. Principal 1 plus R by 100 2n. R by 2 is half yearly rate, and 2n equals to number of half minus years. Thank you and have a nice day.